Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can easily download DeepSeek in your Windows or PC laptop. Start first, open your any browser, go to search option, search it to DeepSeek and click on the first link. As you can see, showing you to start now. Just press on. You just easily log in your DeepSeek account, or if you not have account, click on to sign up. I'm logging with Google, so press on. Select account, click on to continue. Okay, now I'm finally get DeepSeek. So now I'm provide how can easily install this. Look at the right corner, tap onto three dot, click on, and then showing you to install option and rename. Click on to install. Yes. So look here, now successfully install DeepSeek app. You just easily use from here. So that's it, that's how you can do it.